Hello y'all, I'm back again, and this, I promise, is a really quick video. And I've been meaning to do this video, but you know, you get busy and it's life, I forget. But always thank you so much for tuning into my videos, coming back time after time. I really appreciate each and every one of you, my original subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome and thank you so much. Someone, I apologize because I hate saying someone. I used to be able to go through the comments and then clip and then put it up here. I can't even remember which video it is. So my apologies to you, but I do want to recognize it was only one comment like this, and you know who you are. So if you are watching this video, please let me know in the comments that you heard me give you a shout out. So shout out to you for suggesting. As you can tell, I don't have any eyebrows on at all. I'm all made up. I did a video previous to this one and I had my eyebrows on. But she said, have you ever tried a gray eyeliner? And I have not. Well, looky, Revant Cosmetics sent over some about a month ago, and gray was in those, the eyeliner choices, the colors. So lo and behold, I have a gray now. So guess what? We're going to try a gray eyeliner. Just because I try to do what my subscribers like, they suggest stuff. I ask for suggestions, and sometimes you guys put it in the comments. So I want to go ahead and do that. I know it's been a minute, but I did get to it. I mean, I told you I'm real busy, and I know you are too. But so these are just naked eyebrows here. I don't have any brows on, and if you saw the previous video, you will see that they were brown on that particular video. But I'm going to hold on, I've been trying to do some little videos after that video, so y'all don't mind this right here. It's my gel from my hair. But anyway, that's what we're going to try. So this is the gray, and it's a gel eyeliner. It's from Revant Cosmetics and it's waterproof. Now, once upon a time, I was at work. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to ask, what is your most embarrassing moment that you care to share? I actually have a couple, but I'm going to share this one since it's in regards to eyebrows. While I'm working, okay? Because you know the video can go on and on and on, and I said it's going to be short. And yes, you can put your eyebrows on after you put your makeup on. Like I said, there's no rules to it. I was at work one day running my mouth and talking to one of my co-workers, and she said something that was real funny, and I either did this, excuse me, or this. And when I came up, she said, Dad. And I said, what? I'm going to start. She said, she didn't know how to ask me this or say it to me for that matter. So she said, do you draw your eyebrows on? And I said, why? She said, because one is missing. And I didn't have the eyebrow pencil with me, so I had to wipe the other one off, so I wouldn't be around there looking crazy. Now, y'all, you know what? Oh, I'm going to have to go back and try to find this young lady's name. I really like this gray. Y'all, this is a game changer. So we may be doing gray now, right? Gray hair, gray eyebrows. Oh, I love it, y'all. Tell me what you think. That's not a bad suggestion. And it's all in how you say stuff. She was really sweet. She said, Del, have you ever tried a gray eyeliner or a gray eyebrow pencil? And I think I responded saying, no, I haven't, but thanks for the tip. Now, I think that's not bad. I'm going to spread it out just a little bit. So I'm so happy that this is waterproof. So when I do decide to tee-hee and slap my knee, I won't rub off my eyebrow. Now, I think that is very nice. It's not too dark. It's gray. I can still fan it out just a little bit. Let me get I have a softer eyebrow pencil. Let me get that one and see if that makes a difference. Because remember I said this one is stiff or more firm. So it kind of, you know, it will just go through it like that. The softer one will kind of, it's not as firm as that. It kind of like spreads it out. I may not even be able to find, yeah, here's one. See, this one is so, let's see. So this would make it kind of, let's do this one. Y'all, I think I found a new, thank you, sweet lady. I appreciate it. I appreciate that. That is very nice. Okay. Now let me, you know I don't know when to stop, right? Let's go to the next one. And then keep in mind, I still have to clean it up. So yes, I rubbed my whole eyebrow off. And you know, my skin is oily. So that didn't help. All I'm doing is, I get a lot of comments like, how do you do that so easily? Well, you know, a lot of practice, as I've mentioned before. But all I'm doing is outlining my eyebrows, the eyebrows that I already have, and just clean them up. Now, if I were to drink coffee, which I cannot drink coffee because it has me so jittery, I would be arrested because it's not a good thing if I drink coffee. So if I was a coffee drinker, I would not be able to have steady hands. So I know I also get comments that your hands are very steady. I try not to drink too much caffeine. However, from time to time, I do have a Coke Zero or Mountain Dew, Coke Zero Mountain Dew, something like that when I want like that taste, but not often. So I don't have the jitters as much. Now, I used to drink Mountain Dew. I was addicted. And coffee. So let's go ahead and kind of fan this one out. Yeah, I am so happy about it. I'm going to try to find that name. But if I do not, Miss Ma'am, thank you kindly. I really appreciate you. Okay, and keep in mind, we still have to clean it up a little bit. And that's going to even make it more. All right, now, all I'm going to do is take my Fawn Pro Conceal. You see this all the time. I'm not going to do too much because I don't want to mess up my beautiful eyeshadow that I just did. I hope you guys watched the video. All right, let's start with that one. I believe this is going to be a game changer for me. Oh, I love it. Y'all gonna be sick of me in this gray. Well, tell me what you think. But I still love it. Tell me what you think. Y'all gonna be sick of me in this brown, gray uh, eyebrow pen. I think that's more subtle. That is my homework assignment, is to find the young lady that gave me this idea. Yeah, okay, so that was my first, that was one of my embarrassing moments. Now, I have another one. I won't tell you any of my grown ones, but I will tell you when I was in high school, one of my closest friends, she had this outfit. It was a sailor outfit. It had the pants, the top that looked like a sailor, and a hat, a sailor hat. Don't know if you've ever seen that, but to see where I'm going with this, go Google what the sailor's outfit looked like. And it was cute back then, you know. And she had the entire outfit. And she wore it to school that day, and everybody was like, "Oh, I love your outfit. So cute." And it was. So that Saturday, my sister and we go to the mall. And we went to the mall. I see the outfit. So I'm like, oh, look at her name. I'm going to say Lisa. Her name was Lisa. And as we're walking down the mall, I see her and I'm like, I just saw her one day with this outfit on. She has it on at the mall. Look at her. So we go down to the end where we could see her, and I'm walking towards her back. So I go to surprise her, and I'm like, "Hey girl, how you doing?" She turned around. How about it wasn't her? My heart dropped. And the girl looked at me like, "What is wrong with you?" And I'm trying to explain to her, like, how do you explain it? How? My sister was like, just come on. So y'all, this is pretty much it. I'm just going to even out these lines here, and I don't care about that part showing, but the top, I do want that to yeah, I was so embarrassed. I know I was going to get my little hips toe up that day. I didn't know her and she didn't know me. I mean, that could have gone left really, really, really fast. But thank God, she gave me some grace, or showed me grace. And we didn't go to any more stores that day. We went home. I was so embarrassed. We were afraid that we would see her, because the girl never said anything. She just looked at me like, "What are you doing? Who are you? Like, get your hands off me." I mean, can you blame her? That's one of my almost embarrassing moments. I'll never forget this, and this is why I always check this. I mean, it's an automatic thing for me. I always check. I don't want to make it lighter than it is. So let me kind of calm that down. So this is what I was in the restroom at work. Now, this was just a few years ago. And I had on a dress. It was cold, the wintertime. And I had on a dress and some leotard. Or, you know how you have your tights on and your boots. I had those on. And I come out of the stall. I wash my hands. I look in the mirror. Y'all, I think this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. My homework assignment, y'all, I told you, will be to find the young lady that left this comment and suggestion, and I'm forever grateful. I love it, love it, love it. You know, I don't know when to stop with it, but even I could lighten them up just a little bit. But yeah, I like this. This is very, very subtle. It's not black, but it kind of brings out the gray a little bit. I like that. So I think I'll be using this for a while anyway. Like I said, y'all will get sick of me. But I'm in the restroom and I wash my hands and I go to the mirror. And I'm fixing and sprucing and I walk out. I had the tissue on the door and I opened the door and something said, "Feel in your bag." I felt back here, y'all, and my dress was in my leotards. I got so nervous because I'm thinking what could have been, right? Oh my gosh, do you know how many people you had some silly folks in there, so I would have never lived that down. Then you would have had the serious folks like, come here. Then you would have the people like, is she all right? My leotard, my dress in the back was stuck inside my leotards. And to this day, I don't care if I have on a pair of pants, a dress, whatever. I do a full 360 before I leave the bathroom. So anyway, y'all, I enjoyed talking with you all. I love it. I think this will be my new go-to for a minute. We'll see. And tell me what you think. Tell me some of your funny, if you care to share, embarrassing moments. And I will talk with you in a video real soon. Take care and may the good Lord bless you all real good.